In today's video, I will teach you how to turn images into 2D game portraits using AI. Let's get started. Do you want to see yourself as a 2D game character like those in roleplay games, adventure quests, or anime-inspired worlds? With AI tools like Photo or AI Artifact, you can instantly transform your regular photos into stylized 2D game portraits without needing any drawing skills or expensive design software. To do this, open your browser, then go to Photo or AI Artifact. The tool runs directly online and no installation needed. Now on the page, click on the Upload Image button, then select the photo that you want to transform. And best results come from clear front-facing photos, images with good lighting, and minimal background clutter. Now look at the left panel where the AI art styles are listed. Then scroll down to the Universal section, then select the Game 2D option. Then watch as Photo automatically turns your image into a 2D game portrait. Now at the bottom right, click the Compare button to see your photo before and after. And if you're not completely happy with the result, click Regenerate on the effect thumbnail to try again. Each regeneration takes about 10 seconds, and you may get different variations. And if you like the effect, hover over the effect thumbnail and click the star icon to add it to your favorites. And later, you'll find it quickly under the favorites section without scrolling. And when you're satisfied with your portrait, click Download to save it to your computer. You also have additional options. You can click Post to Earn to share your creation in Photo to earn Photo coins which can be cashed out later. You can also click Animate Your Art to transform your 2D game portrait into an animated short video with Photo's AI video generator. And here are some pro tips for beginners. And that's it! You've just learned how to transform your photo into a 2D game portrait with Photo or AI Artifacts. In just a few steps, you can create a digital version of yourself. You can create a digital version of yourself or your friends that looks like it belongs in a video game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.